In a significant development for ending the conflict in Manipur, organizations representing the Kuki and Meitei communities are likely to meet for the first time in New Delhi on April 5 in order to find an end to the ongoing conflict. The meeting has been called by the Ministry of Home Affairs (MHA) to discuss the issues for finding a solution. On Tuesday, Kuki organizations met at Kangpokpi in Manipur, in which it decided to send a delegation for the meeting on April 5th. Meitei organizations have also been invited. The Kuki-Zo Council, an apex body of the Kuki-Zo organizations, on Tuesday decided to present its demands in the meeting. Its demands include opposition to the center's move for free movement of the Meiteis through the Kuki-dominated areas and to announce a ceasefire up to 1 year to facilitate talks regarding their demands for a separate administration. Meitei organizations, however, was yet to make their decision regarding the meeting public. Sources said the Meitei groups are likely to press for a NRC to detect the illegal Chin Kuki migrants and abrogation of the suspension of operations agreement with the Kuki insurgent groups.